Good morning, students. I hope all of you have submitted your papers. So, as paper submission is over, your examination is over, we will start with your sessions now. Now, before we start our session, yesterday we had a announcement from the government that your course has been reduced. So now today, right now, first of all, we will discuss about the course reduction in your statistics. Let us start with that. Other than that, I would like to remind all the students that it is compulsory for all of you to submit your paper. If you have not submitted the paper, you will not get the marks. PDF we will consider for some time being, but you have to submit the paper as earliest as possible. So all the students, please submit your paper, otherwise you will not get your marks. Okay? Okay. So let us start with your lecture today about the course reduction. Okay, students. Now, as you know, we are going to discuss about your exclusion points of 11th standard course. आपके कौन-कौन से points exclude किए गए हैं from your course. Before we start, let me tell you, we are going to learn each and every point because that would be your base for next year. Yes or no? But as per board rules, this many points will be excluded from your paper. So let us discuss all the points. From your chapter number 1, that is your collection of data. Now in collection of data, nothing is excluded. When I was explaining this chapter, I already told you that from this chapter, nothing would be excluded because this is a basic chapter. Second chapter, that is presentation of data. If you see the textbook, in textbook your point number 2.1, 2.2 and 2.4, these 3 points are excluded. Now which are these points? Let me tell you. 2.1 is your, just a second, yes, 2.1, that is your classification, meaning and necessity, that is excluded. 2.2, that is you can say type of classification, and third point, that is 2.4, that is your diagrams, importance and limitation of diagrams in statistics. These 3 points are excluded, other points are included. We are discussing about the excluded point, not the included point. Okay, now the third point, that is the third chapter, that is measures of central tendency. From this chapter, point number 3.2, that is combined mean and weighted mean will be reduced. Second point, that is reduce this graphical method. We have already completed your chapter number 3, so it won't be an issue. Then comparative study, mean, median and mode, 3.6. These 3 points are excluded. You just see the first page of your textbook. जो chapter शुरू होता है वहाँ पर ये पूरा content का page होता है. From there you have to underline कि कौन से point exclude हुए हैं. I will send the PDF of this thing at the end of the lecture. Next would be your chapter number 4. I hope it is clear now. Now in chapter number 4, that is your measures of dispersion. That we have to start now after completion of your paper collection and all that. So in measures of dispersion, you have chapter point 4.3.1, that is range, meaning advantages and limitation, that is excluded. 4.3.3, that is average deviation, meaning advantages and disadvantages, is removed. Third point that is removed is 4.4, that is combined standard deviation. These 3 points are reduced from your chapter number 4. Now we come to your chapter number 5. In chapter number 5, that is skewness of frequency distribution, we have comparison of 2 methods of coefficient of skewness, that is your point number 4.5. This is excluded from your course. Chapter number 6, that is permutation, combination and binomial expansion. In that, with the easiest part I would say, that is binomial expansion, that is 6.3 is removed. Quite an easy, but it is removed. What to say? Next is your sampling method. Now from a sampling method, that point of 7.6.2, that is stratified random sampling, is reduced. Next is your 7.6.2, that is advantages, limitation of stratified random sampling. 7.6.3, that is systematic sampling. 7.6.3.1, that is meaning of systematic sampling. And 7.6.2, that is advantages and limitations of sampling method. All these points are included. This chapter is quite easy. Most of the points are theoretical, but still these points are reduced. Now we come to your second last chapter, that is functions. In that only 1 point is reduced, that is 8.5, that is equal functions, that is reduced. Okay. Last but not the least, geometric progression, one of the most interesting chapter. I like this chapter very much. From there, 9.4, that is 3 consecutive terms questions are reduced, plus the sums related to Tn, प्लस वन इज इक्वल टू एस एन प्लस वन माइनस एस एन, ये जो फॉर्मूला है इससे रिलेटेड जो फॉर्मूला के सम से दे आर रिड्यूस. सो ओवरऑल 30 to 35% आई वुड से कोर्स इज रिड्यूस्ड for you, and your board examinations are postponed, so maybe your school examination would be postponed, so you have ample of time to stay home, stay safe and study. We are making the videos, तो वो videos को पढ़ देख के भी आप अपनी पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं. तो with this we complete your lecture for today, that is about, like you can say, course reduction. So with this, let us complete our lecture. Stay home, stay safe, and prepare for your tests. Thank you, students. Goodbye for now.